LG Range LRE30755ST/02F3 error code continues to go off when baking. A few years ago, LG replaced the control panel and it was fine for 6 months, but the error codes returned and LG worked on it again, fine again, then it was out of warranty and LG would not work on it again. What do you recommend to do to repair this problem?
Hi there and thank you for choosing this service. F3 error means that the electronic control has detected the fault. Press clear/off to clear the display and stop any beeping. Then go to the housebreaker box and try turning the housebreaker to the oven off for 5 minutes. Electric ovens have 2 switches in the housebreaker box. This will reset the system and clear any electronic glitches that are in the system. Please reply to me if you still receive the error.
We have tried that procedure many times and the error returns every time.
Okay, since that did not remedy the situation, then this means you have a bad oven sensor and needs to be replaced. Are you a handy person and wanting to work on it yourself? Yes, I fix most of my appliances with direction/information on what needs to be replaced. Okay, so that's great. You should be able to replace the oven sensor, which is the metal rod about 5 inches long located at the wall inside of the oven, remove mounted by 2 screws. Here is the part number .6322B62214A. You can get it online at www.repairclinic.com or www.appliancepartspros.com. Let me know if you need further help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.